How to make image transparent in Canva. So if you want to make an image transparent in Canva, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can simply search for Canva and make sure to open up your Canva and log into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to simply select new template, or you can simply go for the recent designs that you have just done. So once you're here with the template, you need to simply go for a design, any design that you're comfortable with. You can simply select anything. And once you've selected, now you can resize that. You can simply enlarge it or you can make it small. Now you can select the image and then you need to go for edit photo. And once you click on edit photo, you will have this kind of interface where you can simply have an option to remove the background. Or if you don't have that option here, then here on the upper side you will have a transparency option. So you need to simply click on the transparency and then you need to select the transparency to 0. So you can simply adjust the transparency. So that's how you can make an image transparent in Canva, by simply going for the transparency option. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.